Alright, so my neighbor stopped playing his loud music. We are now going to switch over to in-video voice. I went ahead and just drained out the bottle. While I was waiting for the bottle to drain, I went ahead and I dumped the used oil in its proper container. Of course, it's just a few drops. We're not going to be worried about that too much. Go ahead and put that back in there. And of course, you could always check your oil level. We filled it up to Harley Davidson's spec, which is 28 ounces, 28 fluid ounces, flow ounces, 28 ounces. So if you guys saw in the video, I also went ahead and I added 4 ounces of the transmission fluid to the primary. So let's go ahead and just make sure this is tightened. We don't have to go crazy, just make sure it's seated flat. Clean it up, of course, inspect all the drain plugs. Alright, that's nice and close. Now we're just going to fill the engine oil, and that's pretty much it. That's the whole 3-hole change. Of course, there's also inspections. Now, people think there's like a crazy inspection sheet or anything like that. For the most part, it's just a safety inspection. Basically, what you would do normally if you were like, if you're a weekend rider, then you would do that inspection list. Check the tire pressure, front and back, check your brakes, check your lights, check your brake pads, and if you wanted to, you could also check your clutch. All right. So you just do those minor checks, and you're pretty much done as far as inspections, goes. You just it's just a safety inspection. I'll put up the list of inspections on the video so you guys can see it and pause it if you guys wanted to. If you guys really absolutely wanted to do it by the book, you guys can inspect everything that's on the screen right now. So let's go ahead and fill in the engine oil. Per Harley Davidson, they want 4 quarts, so that's what we're gonna put. We're gonna put 4 quarts in there. Then you could always turn the bike on, let it run for about a minute, turn it off, and then check your oil level. Alright, so we have our 4 quarts of oil. Let's go ahead and just dump those in there. Alright, so we're pretty much done. That's 4 quarts of oil. That is from the kit on Amazon. If you guys want to order that stuff on Amazon, that'd be much appreciated. I get a little bit of that kickback. So, I mean, you could either spend the $520 to get this done at your dealership, or you could spend the $80, or depending if it's on sale or not, you could spend the $80 or $90 for this kit. And then you'll have enough money to buy a new seat or something else, maybe a cam. These cams go for about $280. If you're giving the dealership $520 for a 3-hole change, you could buy this kit, and then you'll have money left over for the cam. Get your Milwaukee 8 to a stage 2. All right, so now we're gonna put the side cover back on. Make sure there's nothing pinching. Push that in there, of course. Alright, so that's it. We're all set. Everything's good and tight. That's the 3-hole change on your Milwaukee 8 Softail. Pretty straightforward. Oil change, very simple. Something that you could do on the kickstand. That's how easy this 3-hole change. You don't have to spend the $520, $540 for this at the dealership, guys. You could do it on the kickstand. You don't need a lift, nothing. Super easy install, guys. Come on. Do it yourself, save some money, and buy that cam. All right, life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.